Welcome viewers to our YouTube channel. Today, we have a special tour planned for you. A mesmerizing 6 nights 6 days relaxing tour of 3 extraordinary destinations, Khagrachari, Sajek, and Cox's Bazar. Me and my family are going to execute this trip within a very short time and will upload a series of videos for you to the beauty, culture, and relaxation these places have to offer. As I wanted to make the tour more relaxing and luxurious, we planned the journey by our own car and complete the tour. However, if you wish to do the tour by luxurious bus, there are available bus companies like Hanif, Sadia, Shohag, Shamoli, etc. Our adventure will begin with arrival in the enchanting town of Khagrachari, nestled amidst the majestic Chittagong hill tracts. Surrounded by verdant hills and scenic landscapes, this place exudes tranquility. On the first day we will reach Khagrachari and try to visit New Zealand Para and Bamboo Shoots Eco Resort nestled in the stunning hills of Khagrachari. New Zealand Para is a visionary eco resort inspired by the natural wonders of New Zealand and the tranquility of Khagrachari. It offers an unparalleled experience of sustainable living and harmonious coexistence with nature. Bamboo Shoot Eco Resort greeted by charming bamboo cottages nestled amidst lush greenery. The resort is surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, including vibrant gardens and picturesque hills. You can take leisurely walks through the well-maintained trails, bird-watching excursions, immersing yourselves in the serene ambiance, enjoy swimming pool, savoring bamboo shoot-based culinary delights, mouth-watering dishes and discovering the diverse flora and fauna that thrive in this eco-friendly haven. After visiting the place and dinner there, you can go back to the hotel for the next day journey of the beautiful Sajek Valley. Leaving Khagrachari behind, embark on a breathtaking journey to Sajek. As we ascend, the landscape transforms into a mystical wonderland, shrouded in mist and adorned with rolling hills. It feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The cool mountain breeze and lush green landscapes instantly transport us to a world of tranquility. The first stop is the Sajek Valley viewpoint, offering an awe-inspiring view of the valleys and hills stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a sight that leaves us breathless and showcases the true majesty of nature. It's an experience that leaves you in awe. There are many comfortable, safe and beautiful resorts. However, we plan to stay at Megpali Resort with an infinity swimming pool, which is a first ever in Sajek, a cloud resort located amidst the mist-covered hills. Here, we witness the ethereal beauty of clouds gently embracing the landscape, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. Further, explore the fascinating helipads, offering a unique perspective of the surrounding landscapes. From these elevated platforms, you will enjoy breathtaking views of the sprawling hills, verdant valleys, sunrise and sunset. Next, you can venture to Khagrachari, a hidden gem known for its cascading waterfalls with crystal clear water and pristine streams. You can explore the mesmerizing stone garden, a place where nature's artistry takes center stage. Alutia Park is a treasure trove of biodiversity and encounter a diverse array of flora and fauna, from colorful butterflies dancing in the sunlight to unique plant species that thrive in this untouched ecosystem. It's a paradise for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. You can interact with the warm-hearted locals, who graciously share their traditions, folklore, and unique way of life. Also explore Jarboy Park, a delightful oasis nestled in the midst of nature. It's a perfect spot for relaxation and family unification. No visit to Sajek is complete without savoring the delectable traditional cuisine. You must taste mouth-watering dishes made with locally sourced ingredients, experiencing the flavors and spices that define the region. Rualui Para beckons next, a picturesque village perched on the hillsides. It's a truly enriching experience. After reaching Khagrachari, take lunch and explore Horticultural Park, a captivating destination where nature's beauty and tranquility come together in perfect harmony. The hanging breeze whispers through the trees, inviting you to explore its serene pathways and discover the wonders that lie within. Prepare to be enchanted by the vibrant array of flowers that adorn the park's gardens. Each step unveils a symphony of colors and fragrances that captivate the senses. Whether you're a flower enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of nature's creations, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of floral splendor. Khagrachari Horticultural Park is more than just a collection of gardens. It's a sanctuary where nature reigns supreme, offering a sanctuary for both flora and fauna. Discover the natural wonders of Alutila Parjaton Park, Immerse yourself in the captivating beauty of the Alutila Cave and witness the breathtaking spectacle of Reesang Waterfall. Explore the Alutila Cave, a mysterious underground marvel adorned with fascinating rock formations and an air of intrigue. Make your way to Reesang Waterfall, a magnificent waterfall cascading down with a thunderous roar. Feel the cool mist on your skin and be mesmerized by the sheer power and natural grandeur of this captivating waterfall. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a break from the ordinary, this enchanting destination promises an unforgettable experience. After breakfast, start for Cox's Bazar with a lifetime memory. The journey along the Khagrachari to Cox's Bazar highway is an experience of contrasts, as you transition from the cool and misty hills of Khagrachari to the sun-kissed beaches of Cox's Bazar. As you approach Cox's Bazar, the landscape transforms into a coastal paradise, with glimpses of the sparkling blue waters of the Bay of Bengal and the majestic sandy beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. After reaching Cox's Bazar, then check into a luxurious hotel with stunning sea views. Indulge in a luxurious experience in Cox's Bazar as you enjoy a delectable lunch at a beachfront restaurant. Relaxing and dive in a sea view infinity swimming pool and seeing sunset with snacks. This journey offers the perfect blend of culinary delights, comfort, and breathtaking views, creating a truly memorable and luxurious coastal getaway. After refreshing in hotel, visit Radiant Fish World of Cox's Bazar. This unique attraction offers a glimpse into the underwater world, showcasing a diverse collection of vibrant fish species in beautifully maintained tanks. From colorful tropical fish to exotic marine creatures, Radiant Fish World provides an immersive experience where visitors can appreciate the beauty and diversity of aquatic life. Whether you're a seasoned fish enthusiast or simply curious about the wonders of the ocean, Radiant Fish World is a must-visit destination in Cox's Bazar. Experience a seafood dinner at Pacific Lounge Beach Cafe in Cox's Bazar. Indulge in delectable fresh seafood dishes while enjoying the stunning beachfront views. It's a culinary journey that combines the flavors of the ocean with the ambiance of a tropical paradise. Start the day with a hearty complimentary breakfast at Zeland Hotel in Cox's Bazar. Savor a delicious spread of local and international dishes to fuel your adventures. After breakfast, head to the famous Saganda, Lavoni and Kalatoli Sea Beach for a refreshing dip in the crystal clear waters. Engage in exciting beach activities like beach volleyball, swimming, horse riding, quad bike riding, water bike riding and simply lounging under the sun. It's the perfect way to enjoy the beauty of Cox's Bazar's coastline and create unforgettable beachside memories. Next, make your way to Himchowri Hill and Waterfall, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. Climb to the top and witness the breathtaking vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Continue your exploration along the scenic Marine Drive, a coastal road that offers breathtaking views of the Bay of Bengal. Enjoy the refreshing sea breeze as you drive along this picturesque route, marveling at the natural beauty that surrounds you. As you reach Anani Beach, prepare to be mesmerized by its golden sands and turquoise waters. Take a leisurely stroll along the shore, bask in the sun, or engage in thrilling water sports activities. Venture further to Patuartek Beach, a secluded stretch of coastline known for its tranquil atmosphere. Here, you can unwind, listen to the soothing sound of the waves, and enjoy a moment of solitude amidst the natural beauty that surrounds you. Visit Barmies Market, where you can immerse yourself in a bustling atmosphere filled with colorful stalls offering a variety of local products and handicrafts. Indulge in a shopping spree and take home unique souvenirs to commemorate your trip. Lastly, explore Jinik Market, known for its fresh seafood and local delicacies. Dive into a culinary adventure as you savor the flavors of Cox's Bazar, indulging in mouth-watering seafood dishes and experiencing the vibrant street food scene. Next morning, after breakfast you can return to Dhaka. From the serene landscapes of Khagrachari to the awe-inspiring vistas of Sajek Valley and the coastal paradise of Cox's Bazar can offer a range of lifetime memories and experiences. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.